guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be picking up a 1977 F250. We're going to be using the gooseneck. We're going to be putting that gooseneck plate that we put on a few videos back to the test. Hopefully everything goes smooth. Guys, I brought my buddy Marvin here. He's going to keep me on schedule, on time, and hopefully under that 20 minutes. Marvin, you want to say hi or anything? Hey, thanks for having me. Marvin here. Love a good introduction, but we really got to get going. I run a tight ship. Got to get tight schedule. Ain't no way we're making 20 minutes if we keep jabber jawing. Alright guys, if you guys remember back a few videos ago, I installed a gooseneck hitch on this truck, and today we're going to be going and picking up a 1977 F250 truck that we're going to be working on. So today we're going to try it out, we're going to test it, we're going to see if she holds. Bringing you guys along in case she doesn't hold, because if she doesn't hold, I'm going to need somebody to call me a tow. Let's see how this goes. Now what in the world, how did he know where to go? This guy's gotta cut loose a little bit, huh? Come on, Marvin. Don't be pressing me, all right? Don't be pressing me, Marvin. Come on.
much that thing weighs?
I don't know. All right, guys, well, we made it safely back. F250 made it back. Dually made it back. I'm pretty sure I need to upgrade my trans cooler. Could definitely smell a little bit of burning clutches and burning fluid, but anyways, we're gonna get this thing. Come on, man. Get down out of there. You ain't even supposed to be up there. Look, do we make our time or what? Well, if you haven't driven like an old lady, we probably would have been back 10 minutes ago. All right, well, let's get this thing unloaded. Oh man, guys. The wife is trying to back this thing up. See if we can get it. Guys, welcome back. It is a new day. Yesterday we were losing some daylight, so called it quits. Figured I'd get out here, start this a little bit earlier, hopefully beat Marvin out here. He was kind of a pain in the butt yesterday, but it is Marvin, so dang it. Hey, try it. Hey now. You weren't getting started without me, were you? No, you didn't miss anything. I was actually just introducing you guys. Everybody, Marvin, everybody. Hey guys, Marvin again. Hope you're having a good time. I really just want to get this F250 off the trailer so we can get started on a new project. Oh, shotgun! Guess he's got a shotgun. All right, here's your safety brief. If you see me running in that direction, I need you to calmly get out of the truck and start running with me. Good to go? All right.
That way or that? Oh, that way.
Okay. Guys, that is a wrap for today's video. We got the 76 F250 in the shop. We were able to use that gooseneck hitch. It worked fairly well in my opinion. I don't know how much we're going to see of Marvin after this. I don't know if I can really handle him as much as I thought I could, but it is what it is. Sorry. Sorry. Let's click that subscribe button, hit share, turn the notifications on. That's going to let you know when the next videos come out. We got a couple cool things lined up for this truck. That'll be coming in future videos. We still have some stuff on the Continental we were working on, as well as that C10 and C30. We do have another project. I haven't really showed you guys any glimpse of that yet, but it is coming. It's going to be a pretty cool project. So like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Alright guys, we'll see ya. Make sure you let him know that I need to come back, alright? Make sure you let him know. Smash that like button. Guys, smash that dislike button. Guys, whatever you do, smash something. Successfully. I don't know. Why are these words so hard to say? Huh. Let's see how this goes.
Oh, we'll be draining the water out of it. I heard that. I was like, what the hell? That's water.
No problems, but then I say a problem. When started. Get down. Come on. Get down. Down. What?
Are you trying to say smash something?
Smash. Yeah. Gooseneck. Why do you keep eating them gummy bears? You ain't done with them yet? What is that, like an endless bag of gummy bears? Not the channel. New day. Welcome back to the day. Woo! I feel like we're best friends. I don't know if I'd say best friends. Why can't I never do outros? I can never do them.